Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baru kini gilongi khubor bam takasni. Sa Garo Hills kaseng samla pule na rilum garu kila pelong ya kajing ki persha ya Vice Chancellor NEHU Professor PS Shukla halor kamat post register u Omkar Singh but u Deputy Register u Amit Kapta. Ya kajing ki kila pelong hakmat pelau ke NEHU Tura ha kajing lam u President Garo Student Union CEC Tura u Tengsang G Moment. Ha kajing ki lais nok tilang da ki samla pule khasi ba pule Tura Campus ya kate kajing ki samla pule khasi Tura kadai bagi ai jingkershan ya NEHU Shillong bat kumju ka Garo Student Unions ka ailang kumju.
De hak bani kong ya balai bangi song hang ni la i kena ni sedin barok ni kumka kena pulih khasi ki bayadan hang ni apo ni Tura Campus de ngilai mi lang renti bani kershan ni ka ni usu ke badai apo Shillong kediman ke bani kong ni yang ni hang ni apo ni Tura ka dai pa mindon no taka student union la ni ka student association la ni ka student body ba ka badai jong ki Garo chene parok Garo jongi de ke ka bangi yesong hangniru ka badiman kalong betba uhiar suki no u vc bat ka baan kalong ba welcome no ikitu ki armut ki register namar ba ulathung illegal lane ka takal bangi aban ong ba ka deka illegal appointment ikitu ki armut ka ba vc ulabo yu register but deputy register nilai iru ya ka city ka ba pha shiki noikai khna ya tuka city jong deputy register tangban spelling verify ru nang ni ong hakin pareng ba leave the grammar if but the spelling should be right te kata hi mau pade kum kata ru kamdan tangban spell verified nang spell verified u spell FERIFID kata ka bang ni hapshu ka jingthung ka jong UBC ya u deputy register te ka ka bang penlong ini kung khasi ke bangin ya lum hang ni bat ki wei ki parlok Garo hi jongi bat baro hi hang ni mentang imdon chu kata communal hatred na kanu rei bang ya lum lang hang ni ka jing it baka jing kershan ke jongi ki dibusu ang te Shillong ro bat kum ki khna pule jong ka NEHU Tura Campus ro ni syam jing shibun bha ke ka bangi ki kandu ka jing ang te Shillong ngiru ang ni kandu kinju ka jui ka jing kandu ka bangi ni syam te banyak keren ni ka jing ite kham mangi shene namar ba ngimdan ka voice ban raise namar balai baki ngimdan ka student body ne ka student union ka bade pakala ni pura jong ka ni ka NEHU Tura te ka ngiro bangin ong yanur yanu bo ong ba to ban keren lang yangi ka bajia yangi shene namar ba la sotu ka jing jingai ka jongi ba chite Shillong kala ma ranga pudi hang ni mentala sisnam tam asotu ke jing ke jong evolution ni ke jing ke jong niru katnung syam jing ladang ye kren sapang hapo department ke department ke ba bon mak yu department ru ki ya ut ya nam yengi repadi ngi mlale ni marba ni hiru ngimdon kata ka voice ban race ya nu bangin ya tu de ban ye kren sikam sejkiwe laite kadang jingai susu ke jing kadang bon bang ni hapo Tura ka jong ni dan don kam mi ke jing bha shibun bat kabaya ka ba mentahi kershan be kani husu pat kejing hier suki jong visi penerjain itu laingut pat kabaskem bat kabaningkong kalong be yangi bangin pan bagin yo no student body kabadai pura hangi jung parlok Garo jongi
there is a disturbance and problem in NEHU right now, and when I'm talking about NEHU, I'm not just talking about NEHU Tura Campus, I'm talking about the whole NEHU. I'm talking the whole NEHU, and we all know what is happening in NEHU Shillong and how the events are proceeding. We know the demands put forth by NEHUSU, NEHUTA, and so many other associations in NEHU. NEHU is facing one of its greatest problem right now, because as we know right now there is a huge protest not only in NEHU Shillong, there is a protest in NEHU Tura Campus also. Now this problem has been brought by the NEHU administration upon itself, because the demands put forth by NEHU, the demands put forth by GSU, the demands put forth by the students of NEHU, both in Shillong and NEHU Tura Campus, it is quite genuine. Now, there are many demands here, but I would like to highlight one or two demands, especially the demand that is being put forth by GSU, and I will explain later on what are the other demands. Now, the demands put forth by GSU headquarters is one thing. There are two things actually. We need a full-fledged pro-BC in NEHU Tura Campus. And there has been a problem of disbandment of Postgraduate Students Union in NEHU Tura Campus, which is unconstitutional, which does not go as recommended by the Lingdo Committee or the Lingdo Commission. So there cannot be any disbandment of PGSU. There must be PGSU. This is the demand being put forth by GSU. There has to be PGSU, Postgraduate Students Union, in NEHU Tura Campus. And I believe that NEHU is also supporting the issue. And we also support the issue put forth by NEHU, which is they are demanding that the Vice Chancellor must step down from his post. That is one of the demands, that which the GSU is also supporting. And so it is also being supported by, as you can see, as you can all see, the NEHU students of the NEHU Tura Campus. So these are the problems which are being put forth by the GSU also, and which GSU supports also. So until and unless these demands that have been put forth is not heard by NEHU, the agitation will continue. The students of NEHU Tura Campus, they have also put forth the demand that until and unless the demands put forth by them are not met, they will continue this agitation for the full week. And if the demands are not heard, if there is no reason when this agitation is happening, we will continue the agitation unless and until our demands are met.